Well, hello. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing of my Rode Wireless Pro. Very excited about these mics. Quite frankly, I'm a media person here in Vegas, and I shoot a lot of my own interviews, often on my phone or on my Sony video camera. And I've pretty much used every wireless mic system that is out there. Including Hollyland, Saramonic, Rode, another Saramonic, and I'm over all of them, can you tell? So here's my advice to anyone looking into buying a microphone. If you're really going to be creating content, don't mess around. Don't spend hundreds of dollars purchasing things that drop out, that get thrown off by interference, or that have batteries that die after 15 minutes of filming. So I'm really hoping that I've gone to the top of the line by purchasing this Rode Wireless Pro setup. I do have a Rodecaster that I use here in my podcast studio. So I'm going to actually be replacing these mics, which, you know, it is great to be wired. There's something very dependable about that. But I'm going to be replacing these mics, hopefully, with this system. Actually, I'm going to plug this right into my Rodecaster. Why? Because I have people in here for interviews, and we spend a lot of time tripping on cords. You know what I'm saying? So wish me luck. So here we go with a little unboxing. Oh, I opened the box from the bottom because the top didn't seem to be something that I could reseal. I'm kind of a geek that way. I like to keep the boxes of my really nice equipment. Sometimes for storage, or if I travel, sometimes I'll put them back in the original case. I'm also super excited. I've actually had the Rode Wireless 2 version, and it did not come with a charging pack. It just came with a carrying case. So one of the reasons I was motivated to get the Pro was that I understand that these are actually charging cases. Yes, I can see the connectivity in the back. At least on that one, I can. Inside the box, I have one cable, looks like, that was given to me, which is brilliant. I love, I remember on the Wireless 2, it comes with 3 cables because you have, you know, a charging cable for the transmitter and then one for each of the, or for the receiver and the transmitters, rather. And so here, this is so much easier to have just one cord. A little quick start guide, which is super fantastic. I love that. Can't wait to get these puppies plugged and fired up. I'm really looking forward to the steady performance of these mics. So as you can see in this main carrying case, I have the receiver and both the mics. Here we go. They have a little sticker when you first get them that comes, you can pull off the tab. All right, looking good. Oh, I love this. This is almost like a little hard shell also. So you can obviously store the mics in here, but then you can also, this is my receiver, you can also charge them in here. Now, I have a second little pod. I did not expect this. So what's in here? Oh, more cables? Okay, I love that. Oh, good. You mean I don't have to go online and buy aftermarket cables? Wow. Okay, there's a, oh, they gave me a cloth. Unlike my Meta Ray-Ban glasses that I just got that did not come with a cleaning cloth, Rode actually has given me a super nice cloth so I can get the fingerprints, I'm sure, off my devices. All right, so this is probably my power. And then as you can see, I'm getting 1 adapter, 2 adapters. Aha, brilliant. That will probably be used right into my camera. Loving that. And I have what I believe are some magnetic clips for the units here. Is that what that is? What is that? That's a second kind of clip. All right. You can see that the mics come with, like, It's a really small, it's a pretty modest little clip. I'm used to something a little bigger. That's going to be interesting. Okay. And so what is this? Aha! Okay, this is a magnetic clip. So I can probably remove the clip off this mic, and then there you go. So I could literally kind of put this on the backside of someone's shirt or collar or my dress, and so that I don't have to clip it. As you can see, it wouldn't work to, this clip wouldn't work on what I'm wearing. Just a little keep moisture out, little packet there. I have a couple of cords that say warning strangulation. Thanks for the warning. Oh, yes. Okay, good. Because my wireless twos did not come with actual microphone cords. I'm a little OG. I don't like to, I don't really like to see the box. I know that's like super accepted nowadays, but I would rather actually just have a mic cord, you know, coming up out of the top of somebody's shirt or something. So I was given 2 mic cords as well. And then I have an additional little accessory pack. I've got my little sound muffler right there. They gave me 2, didn't they? Where's my second one? Yes, there she is. Oh no, oh, wow. Look at all these. Okay, it's like little fuzzy bunnies here. They packed a lot of accessories in here. So I'm pretty excited that I got a whole accessory pack. I think this upgrading to the Wireless Pro was only like $100 over the Go 2, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm pretty excited. I'm ready to get these plugged in, and I'll come back and I'll tell you guys what I think of the unit. Hoping to use this first and foremost with my cell phone out in the field. In fact, I'm going to charge these up and head over to the Consumer Electronics Show. That's just a couple blocks in here from Vegas today. Again, this is the Wireless Pro. This is the top of the line, I believe, with the RØDE wireless systems. And I know that there's a lot of attention being given to the 32-bit floating. I don't know what that is at all. I just know it makes the mic better. So way to go, RØDE. Pretty psyched to try these out. And, you know, I'll let you know how easy they are, how user-friendly they are, and how great I sound when I see you next time. Thanks, guys.